Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kerala-style pickle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies, which form the aromatic base. Next, prepare your spice blend, typically including turmeric and chili powder for color and heat. Finally, ensure you have vinegar, sesame oil, and salt on hand to complete this flavorful dish. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating sesame oil in a pan and sautéing the chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your prepared spice powders, stirring them in quickly for about 30 seconds on low heat to prevent burning. Finally, pour in the vinegar and bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil. With the base ready, it's time to add your star ingredient. Whether you're using raw mango pieces or lemon wedges, gently fold them into the hot spice and vinegar mixture. Ensure everything is thoroughly coated, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once combined, remove it from the heat and let the pickle cool down completely before moving on to storage. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade Kerala pickle for longer. Always transfer the cooled pickle into a clean, dry, and airtight glass jar. For optimal freshness and to extend its shelf life, we recommend refrigerating it, where it can last for up to 3 months. This ensures the flavors remain vibrant and delicious. Also, for more great deals and the link to that amazing book, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.